Hey there, this is Jeremy G, and I just wanted to make a really quick review of my Nanoleaf Lines. I've had mine for over a year now, and they've added a lot to the atmosphere and overall vibe of my home office. It's fully customizable, and you can arrange them in any angular shape that you want, and even keep buying new packs to create bigger shapes. So I personally made mine in the shape of a logo from one of my favorite childhood video games growing up. It's not only a cool pattern to have on my wall, but also doubles as a backlight whenever I'm doing web conferences. Since you have full control over the color and the brightness of the light, I set mine to a nice bluish white tone in order to properly light my webcam and make sure that I look my best whenever I'm on video. You can control it really easily with your phone using the Nanoleaf app and do a lot of awesome things within the app, like download a bunch of lighting presets, create your very own custom lighting pattern, and even create a pattern that will respond to music and change color or light up different parts of it as you either play music in your room or sing or talk. One of my favorite features of the Nanoleaf is the ability to create a custom schedule and have it change scenes depending on the day or the time. I create a sequence that starts my day off and helps me wake up with some nice warm bright light, transitions into a cool blue light during the day when I need to be productive, changes into my favorite green color in the evenings, and then finally transitions to a darker ambient red when it's even later in the evening and I need to start winding things down to go to sleep. So no matter what your interests are or what you use your space for, I do think the Nanoleaf Lines are a really nice light to add to your home. Because of how customizable and how flexible it is, it can really be used to set the mood for a huge variety of purposes and can really be used by pretty much anyone. I really love my Nanoleaf Lines, and I think that if you try it out for yourself, you'll really love them too.